Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and crop your videos here on Capcut. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and add a random video right here. And for example, I want the video to focus on the two women that we have. And the easiest way to go ahead and crop your videos is by clicking on your video first, and after that you will then be able to see the four corners of your video. You can just go ahead and drag them outwards in order to crop your video right here. But if you want to go ahead and specifically cut something into our video, you could just go ahead and select the masking tool right here. You have your templates like horizontal, mirror, circle, rectangle, heart, and star. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and select circle right here, and then you have the option to basically adjust it in the way you want to. So guys, in that way you will be able to crop your videos here on Capcut. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.